Welcome back again to this episode where we are going to be learning the use of the in Igbo sentence making. The is a descriptive verb, and this simply means it describes. Ikowa, it describes a state of being of someone, a state of being of something, your own state of being, like describing your state of being. Ọ na-akọwapụta onu ihe dị, onu mmadụ dị, onu gwa onwe gị dị. You can also say it's describe a condition or temporal state. So when you talk about temporal states, it means a state that can change, a state that is not permanent. Like if I say the soup is hot, it's a temporal state, which means the soup can actually get cold. If I say my temperature is hot, which means it can actually come down. If you say someone is tall or someone is short, the person can actually get taller later. So you describe appearance, complexion, emotions, or temporal condition. So the structure in making sentences with the is the subjects, then you add the and the adjective or description or location. So they can also be used for location of an object, not human. Example, Adimma, which means I'm fine, is your temporary state of being because you can later not be fine. In the next 1 hour, you can be not fine. Odi Uji, he or she is dark. He or she being dark can be seen as a temporary state of being because there's a lot of way you can get fair now. Isim the oko, my head is hot. It can still get cold. Ordinenu, you can add any way you want to place it. So which means they can be used for location. It's on top of the chair, it's on top of the bed. Ordinenu oche, ordinenu akwa, ordinenu anywhere. So D is equivalent to seems or look like, or is for descriptions, location or temporal state. Why you need to understand this D? Because it have a brother called Bo, and both of them do the same work. So if you don't understand it, it will be confusing for you. Because the two of the brothers serve as is and am. Because if I say Adim Ocha, which is I am fair, that means they is serving as am. Odi Oku, it is hot, which means they is serving as is. But when I want to say I'm a teacher, I will say Abum Onyenkuzi. The D is now replaced with Bo. So it gets confusing when to use D and when to use Bo. So understanding where it's used will help you know how to use them in sentence. So D is used for description, location, and temporal state of being. Why Bo is used in qualification is I'm a teacher and I'm a teacher. I'm a qualified teacher is not going to change. Even if I choose to stop teaching tomorrow, that doesn't change the fact that I'm a teacher. So Bo is used instead of D. So here is a quick test. So look at it. pause the video and attempt doing it. Don't worry, I'm going to answer them soon. Okay, let's answer it together. He or she is a boy. Being a boy, is it a temporal condition? Will it change? So what do we use here? Obu. Okay, that's correct. I am fair in complexion. Does it describe the person? Is it a temporal or permanent state? That's correct. We use they because it describes the person and it can still change. Adim Ocha. They are my siblings. Would that change? Is that a temporal or permanent state? Will your siblings stop being your siblings tomorrow? So it's a permanent state. So is bo. Ha bo umunnem. That's correct. It is inside the pot. So which of them is used for location of an object? Remember, because it's still a temporal state, the object can still change location. It's not there permanently. So we use de. Ordina ime ite. That's great. You did it. So when you ask why not adjective or preposition, Igbo doesn't use the verb to be like English. Example, no separate words for is in description. So di and bo are the only verbs used because they actively link or describe the object or the subject. So I hope you understand how to use di and bo. So thank you very much for watching. So in the next video, I'm going to explain the use of bo clearly so it will be easy to use and to understand. So for now, we just learned how to use they. Don't forget, they is used for temporal, descriptive, temporal conditions of a person or a location of an object. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. Dalunu Ndibai. Keep learning. Bye. Kemesia.